Mastering the basics. Train your German Shepherd effectively. German Shepherds are one of the most intelligent, loving, and loyal dog breeds out there. But without proper training, even their best traits can turn into challenges. That's why starting with the basics is crucial. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the foundational steps to train your German Shepherd effectively, so you can enjoy a smarter, more obedient, and happier companion. Whether you're a first-time dog owner or just looking for tips to sharpen your pup's skills, this video has everything you need to begin your training journey the right way. Let's dive in. Training isn't just about teaching your dog tricks, it's about creating a shared language between you and your furry companion. Basic commands like sit, stay, and come aren't just for show, they're essential for your dog's safety and behavior at home, as well as when interacting with other dogs and people. German Shepherds, in particular, thrive when they have structure and clear expectations to follow. These commands act as the foundation, helping them understand how to behave in almost any situation. Plus, training builds a deeper bond between you and your dog, fostering trust and communication. So where should you start? Let's talk about the tool that makes training a joyful experience for both you and your dog: positive reinforcement. The secret to effective training lies in positive reinforcement. It's all about rewarding the behaviors you want to encourage. When your German Shepherd associates good behavior with a tasty treat, enthusiastic praise, or their favorite toy, you're giving them the motivation to repeat that action. Timing is everything here. Rewards need to come immediately after your dog performs the correct action, so they connect the dots between good behavior and positive outcomes. And don't worry if treats seem like a bribe at first. Over time, your dog will naturally learn to respond to your commands as a habit, even without the reward. Now that you know the strategy, let's tackle the basics step by step. Sitting is usually the first command owners teach, and for good reason. It's simple, it's foundational, and it opens the door to more advanced training. Here's how to teach it. Start in a quiet area with minimal distractions to keep your dog focused. Hold a treat close to your dog's nose, then slowly lift it upward. Their head will naturally tilt up, and as a result, their bottom will lower to the ground. The moment their rear touches the ground, say sit in a calm but firm voice, then immediately give them the treat along with lots of praise. Repeat this process several times, keeping sessions short. 5 minutes or so is plenty. Consistency is key. You'll notice your dog begins to sit without the treat motion after a few repetitions. Stay is an important command that helps you manage your dog in moments of high energy or potential danger. Here's a straightforward process to teach it. Start with your German Shepherd in the sit position. Hold up your hand, palm open, and say, stay. Take one small step back without breaking eye contact. If your dog remains in place, reward them immediately with praise and a treat. Gradually increase the distance and duration over time, making sure to reward them each time they successfully stay put. Make sure to keep your tone encouraging, not stern. If your dog moves before you give the release command, gently guide them back into place and start again. Come is probably the most important command of all. It keeps your dog safe, especially in outdoor or off-leash situations. This is how you can teach it. Start indoors or in an enclosed area with no distractions. Have a treat in hand and kneel down to place yourself at your dog's level. Say their name followed by come in an excited voice. When they approach, reward them with lots of praise and their favorite treat. Practice this consistently and eventually challenge your dog in environments with more distractions, such as a backyard or dog park. Build their confidence by making yourself the most exciting thing in the room when they obey this command. German Shepherds are large and strong, which makes leash training essential early on. Without it, even a short walk can feel like a tug of war. Here's how to get started with leash training. First, introduce your dog to the leash in a calm environment. Let them sniff it and get comfortable with wearing it. 2. Begin walking, keeping the leash loose. If your dog pulls, stop walking immediately. Wait for them to relax the tension, then resume walking. Reward them whenever they walk by your side without pulling. It takes time for some dogs to master this, so be patient. Remember, a German Shepherd size doesn't need to be a challenge if you set clear expectations and stick to them. German Shepherds have naturally high energy levels and intelligence, which makes them eager learners, but it also means they can become bored or frustrated with repetitive training. Keep your sessions short and exciting, ideally lasting no more than 10-15 minutes. Incorporate some mental activities like problem-solving games or interactive toys to engage their brilliant minds. For instance, hide treats around the house or teach them to fetch specific objects. The more creative and varied your training sessions, the more motivated your dog will stay. Lean into your German Shepherd's talent. They're driven to succeed and enjoy having a job. Training can become a game you'll both look forward to. No training journey is perfect, and missteps are part of the process, but you can avoid common pitfalls to make faster progress. Inconsistent commands. Using different words or tones confuses your dog. Stick with clear and consistent language. Punishment-based training. Avoid yelling or overcorrecting. It can frighten your dog and hinder their motivation to learn. Skipping practice regular. Consistent training sessions are the foundation of success, don't skip them. Mistakes are a chance to learn for both you and your dog. Stay patient and don't be hard on yourself. Training isn't just about commands, it's also about helping your German Shepherd grow into a confident, well-adjusted dog. Socialization is key to achieving this. Start early by exposing your dog to new experiences, environments, and people. Take them on walks in new neighborhoods or to pet-friendly stores. Set up positive interactions with other dogs or friendly strangers. Simple activities like these build their confidence and teach them not to fear unfamiliar situations. A well-socialized German Shepherd is calm, adaptable, and a joy to be around. Training a German Shepherd takes effort, but the rewards are well worth it. By mastering basic commands, practicing positive reinforcement, and tailoring your approach to their unique personality, you're setting the stage for a lifetime of companionship and joy. Remember, be consistent, keep your training fun, and always celebrate your dog's progress, no matter how small. Now it's time to put what you've learned into action. Start with sit, try stay, and build up from there. Trust me, you'll thank yourself for investing time in this process. Dive in today and enjoy the incredible bond that comes from raising a well-trained German Shepherd.